I am on top of my terrace. As you can see, solar water heater here. Let's have a look all around view. That's how I came up from here to there onto the ladder. Location of Life Republic from end of expressway is 8.7 kilometers, 16 minutes in this traffic time. This road Marunji Hinjewadi, if you want to avoid IT crowd, you don't have to travel this. There's a better road from the back side which connects directly onto the highway and then onto the expressway. Good morning friends, and to my sailor friends, welcome on board. This video is about entire tour of my new house. So this, as you can see, the topic says what can you get in 2 CR. So this house has cost me 2 CR inclusive of everything. This will give you a fair idea. This is in a Hinjewadi area. Location I will explain to you in detail. Whose ship is this?
Captain ship. This is my ship, so I'm gonna take you around and show you this house.
This is the back side of the terrace.
The beauty of the house is the garden, the biggest garden, and this is terrace, the big terrace. Welcome on board. Come inside. Staircase is going down.
Same staircase comes up also.
Yeah, so funny.
Builder has given us inverter, one the battery, additional battery. I had one extra, so we have fitted 2 batteries here. That is backing up power for about 8 hours entire house.
Here comes the 3 room on top floor. One is master bedroom, one you can say. All rooms are equally same. So here is the big window, and here is the master bedroom, spacious bedroom. This is wardrobe area covering it.
This bed is 6.5 by 6 feet. View outside master bedroom. In front there are 6 bungalows whose construction work is still going on, which should finish in few months.
From starting to end, I have designed all the furniture, bed and side table, and we have attached bathroom in all the bedrooms. All the bathrooms are pretty much similar. Builder has given everything. Now I will take you to another room. We like to keep everything simple, so necessary things are there. This is my husband's room. He called it his own room. He fixed everything according to his studio. He called it studio. We yet to make lot of more things into it.
This is the room which builder said is a master bedroom in his plans. So he has given us a split AC. We have not bought it. It was in the package. In the package was 3 things: modular kitchen, Italian marble, and 1 AC in this room. I'm planning to have a bed here later, 5 by 7 feet, and make this room look like a studio in future. We have a very big balcony here which entry is only from this studio room, and balcony size is pretty much same as this room. One thing missing is the shades. I would have been very happy if builder provided shades on this balcony for all bungalows, and then it would have looked same. But anyhow, people are putting shades. So this is a twin bungalow. We are sharing one common wall with another bungalow where nobody is living at the moment, and 3 sides are free. Front is parking area, side has a about 5-6 feet garden, back side garden is the main garden.
Pretty much look like office or studio, you can say.
This bathroom is entirely developed by builder, so it has a solar heater fitted only for this bathroom. Other heaters will have to install geyser or additional solar heaters on terrace.
The third bedroom, child bedroom, you can say. This is children room. All the toys are hanging around, all the toys This is my daughter's room. A swing for her. Few wallpapers to make it kid friendly. Okay, and same, it got a attached bathroom. Babu, come. We have to make this wallpaper a family wallpaper. It is not completed yet. This is the fourth room, guest bedroom. A bed and a wardrobe, sufficient wardrobe, side table. And there is a attached small garden attached to guest bedroom.
And the front view. Front bungalows are still under construction. On the right, on the left, or everything else is ready. Now that we are here, I will also show you the parking area. It can accommodate easily 2 big cars. We still have to make shades in order to make it covered parking. Guest bedroom is at the bottom floor. Ground floor, same story, exactly same washroom. All 4s are exactly same. And we have heated a geyser, but which I find it is smaller. Later we'll change it to a bigger geyser. And what builder has given us in bathrooms is this glass separation for shower. He has also given us exhaust fan.
Okay, so here is the most important part of the house, the kitchen, open kitchen, which give the living room spacious look. It is model kitchen given by builder.
Builder provided free of cost a purifier, 4-burner gas stove. We still do not have a space for microwave ovens, so after my next ship I'm gonna probably make something here to keep some utensils as well as microwave. We will get a pipeline gas here. This is a temporary arrangement using cylinder.
And there is entry from kitchen to main garden.
Yeah, garden will cover later.
There was one powder room given by builder. We are planning to make it as mandir room. So I placed a small mandir and we will make it in future a proper mandir. It can be used as a storage room also. We will be making it as mandir room. And here is the hall, entry, the sofa, center table, this is the TV unit.
This garden is 1700 square feet, quite spacious. All the edges we are using for growing some plants. Actually, my wife is using for growing some plants. Rest of the area is a children play area or party area. There's just one light fitting provided by the builder. If we need additional lights, we can always install them. As we are using powder room like puja room, we had to install washing machine outside here. Later we'll make a shade, and behind we have a washroom. This is servants washroom, so it is very small. Next to servants washroom is servants room. We can easily have a 3x6 bed here for servant. Presently I am using it like a storage and my temporary makeshift arrangement for workshop. Dining area, we have a 6-seater dining table here. One chair is a makeshift for my baby, but we have the 6th chair also. As we can see all around, we after keeping a 6-chair dining table, we still have sufficient space all around dining table. We have installed Shengli Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is okay. Sometimes on weekends it doesn't work, but slowly they are improving. We have taken a 6 Mbps speed for 3 months for about 2,200 Indian rupees. So far construction quality, all the fittings, everything is good, and we are happy for last 2 months here. Hope you guys like this video and you got a fair idea what you can get for 2 CR. This is my permanent house. My plan is to live my rest of my life here, and hopefully I will be happy, and this house should never be small for me. And the best part is you can change whatever you like inside the house, but outside it symmetry has to be maintained. All the color scheme, everything has to be maintained so that everything looks good. Apart from this, they have very good amenities here, from swimming to gym to parking to jogging to table tennis, you name it, and all amenities are here. Daily needs market is close by within the Life Republic Township, Avenue 6. We can get most of the things here. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to ShipSailorSunil. I will keep coming up with more videos related to shipping after joining ship. Bon voyage, happy sailing, and Jai Hind. Bebu,
Say bye.
Jai Hind. Jai Hind.